Have you ever wanted to sell products, courses, coaching, or services online but didn't know how to build a sales funnel? In this video, I'll explain what ClickFunnels is, its best features, how people use it to grow online businesses, and why so many entrepreneurs recommend it. And yes, the ClickFunnels link is in the video description, and it comes with a free trial if you want to test it yourself. So what exactly is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is an all-in-one online platform designed to help businesses create sales funnels without needing advanced coding or web development skills. Instead of building complicated websites manually, ClickFunnels lets you create landing pages, checkout pages, lead generation funnels, webinar funnels, membership sites, and email automation systems all in one place. A sales funnel is basically a step-by-step process that guides visitors toward taking action. For example, someone clicks your ad or video, lands on a page, enters their email, sees your offer, and eventually buys your product or service. That process is called a funnel, and ClickFunnels simplifies the entire system. One of the biggest reasons people use ClickFunnels is the drag and drop funnel builder. You can build professional pages without coding. Just click, drag, customize, and publish. ClickFunnels also includes ready-made templates for e-commerce, coaching, webinars, lead generation, online courses, and affiliate marketing. This saves a huge amount of time, especially for beginners. Another powerful feature is email marketing automation. You can automatically follow up with leads, recover abandoned carts, promote offers, and nurture customers through email sequences. ClickFunnels also allows users to create membership sites for online courses, coaching programs, and premium communities. And when it comes to payments, ClickFunnels integrates with payment processors so customers can buy products and services directly inside your funnels. ClickFunnels is popular among entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants, e-commerce brands, agencies, and course creators. Basically, anyone selling online can potentially benefit from funnels. Some of the main advantages include beginner-friendly tools, fast setup, powerful marketing features, and an all-in-one system for growing online businesses. Of course, like any platform, there are some downsides. There's a monthly subscription cost, and complete beginners may need some time to learn the system. But overall, ClickFunnels can be a very powerful tool for people serious about online business and digital marketing. If you want to try ClickFunnels for yourself, check the link in the video description. The free trial lets you explore the platform and test the features before making any commitment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more videos about online business, affiliate marketing, and digital tools.